Hey, wanted to make a quick video on how to use OpenAI to create product descriptions for Shopify or for any e-commerce store. So this is going to speed up your process a ton. So typically you would have someone just manually, creatively come up with product descriptions. In this case, you can just type in the title of the product and the AI will generate most of it. In some cases, you might have to tweak it a little bit, remove some stuff, but overall it's like 80% accurate if you have a decent title for the product. So to sign up, all you have to do is go to this API up here and then sign up. And then once you're signed up, I want to go into pricing. So it's very cheap for what you're doing. So if you scroll down here, we're going to be using the DaVinci language model, which is about 2 cents for every 1,000 tokens. And every 1,000 tokens is about 750 words. So you can quickly do the math on how big of descriptions you want for each product. But in our case, we're going to be getting like 3 sentences for each product, so it's very cheap. So after you sign up and you do the math on the pricing if you want to, once you're in this overview, you're going to want to go up to Playground. Then once you're in Playground, you're going to want DaVinci selected, which it is usually by default. And then this is where you determine the length of the product description. I usually keep it on default, which gives you about 3 sentences on average. But if you want to increase it, you can. So in the prompt, you're going to want to write a product description. And then in parentheses, put the title. In this case, I'm going to put this title. And then press submit at the bottom. Okay, so once it loads, it should look something like this. Usually it takes only a few seconds to load, but there's so many people using OpenAI at the moment that it wasn't working for me. So this is one I've done in the past. So this is what I came up with. It's pretty generic, but it's great for SEO because it's unique. It does a great job at kind of selling the product. And I already copied and pasted this into the product on Shopify. But in some cases, you might have to edit the text slightly, like it might make assumptions on what's in the product or the dimensions of the product. You might have to just remove that from the description it creates. But overall, it does a great job at coming up with descriptions for products if the title of the description is good enough. But yeah, so hopefully it should help save a lot of time making descriptions for your products, and hopefully it helped. Thanks for watching.